Adri, have an idea for an interview.
Oh, this ought to be good, O'Connor. You see, I'm busy.
I understand that, but I promise you it is a good idea. So you know, like, February's coming up, right?
February, 28 days of vitamin D deficiency, cold and flu, inept relationship expectations, where New Year's resolutions go to die.
Sure, I was talking about Valentine's Day, though.
Valentine's Day, the day that Saint Valentinus was brutally beheaded by Emperor Claudius II.
You know, I really didn't ask for a history lesson, but okay.
Well, you shouldn't have started a conversation with me if you didn't want to talk history.
Hey, K.I.S.S, what are you doing?
O'Connor's talking about Valentine's Day.
Why are you talking about that? That's my least favorite day of the year.
Well, you never told us, and also, it's like a good symbolization of love and affection.
How? My love life is not very good.
Neither is mine.
It's just a day for corporations to capitalize on fake emotions.
That's true. And it's also the day about candy, outside of Halloween, but we've been through that already.
No.
It's not even good candy. It's like the sweet tart things
those are
that taste
disgusting.
like chalk.
No, like Cupid, you know, with the ugly man baby who has love arrows. He shoots a bow, captures two people and makes them fall in love.
Now, why on earth would we want to do that?
Especially like without their consent.
Does anybody have any other ideas?
Oh, how about this? We bring in a groundhog.
See, that's a good idea.
That is not a good idea.
No, it is not.
Please explain.
Look, Scott, we love you. You're important at K.I.S.S TV. But considering your track record and the fact that I don't want Punxsutawney Phil to be made into a hat,
That's true.
it's probably not a good idea to bring him into the studio.
That is also true.
Yeah, I might as well call that one guy. Does anybody
What one guy were you talking about?
We don't talk about that.
We don't talk about that.
I don't think we want to talk about that.
I mean, it's bad enough that he's in league with Cupid, you know, the demented, evil Eros that is the son of Aphrodite and Ares, gods of love and war. Considering he's a sadistic little creep that likes to make people fall in love without giving consent.
That is not good.
No, it is
Again,
not.
I didn't ask for a history lesson.
Again, you started a conversation with me.
We do not
Touche.
want to bring that man baby into this studio.
Especially, even though we have raised ceilings, you'd probably just swoop in, get stuck in the lighting, and get mad and make Scott fall in love with a chair.
Well, do we have any other ideas?
Okay, Groundhog's out. Cupid is definitely out. I got it. You know whose birthday is in February? George Washington.
I don't like where this is going.
No.
We can just break out the old Ouija board, get old Georgie Porgy awake, tell him happy birthday. The viewers love it.
Do you not remember what
I'll
happened
go
last
call
time?
an exorcist.
Too late. I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
No. Oh my God. All right, I think we can do this.
That was a good take. I like that. I like that a lot.
I should have said it in the camera. We're screwed.
I'm getting tired of this, Grandpa.
I still have to keep digging.
Let's do that.